Velja spomniti na prestrežen telefonski pogovor med namestnico ameriškega zunanjega ministra Victorio Nuland in veleposlanikom Geoffreyjem Pyattom, v katerem sta odprto razpravljala, koga podpreti v novi vladi in katerega je Moskva uporabila kot dokaz, da je celotno dogajanje zrežiral Zahod. Izsek lahko slišimo tu.
What do you think?
I think we're in play. The Klic piece is obviously the complicated electron here, especially the announcement of him as deputy prime minister. And you've seen some of my notes on the troubles in the marriage right now. So we're trying to get a read really fast on where he is on this stuff.
So I don't think Klic should go into the government. I don't think it's necessary. I don't think it's a good idea. So that would be great, I think, to help glue this thing and have the UN help glue it. And, fuck the EU.
No, exactly. And I think we've got to do something to make it stick together, because you can be pretty sure that if it does start to gain altitude, the Russians will be working behind the scenes to try to torpedo it.